Hello guys and welcome to Profit-Preneurship, and in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how I made $25,000 just by doing click, guys. This money is estimated by clicking, and I'm going to show you exactly step by step how to do that and how you can accelerate your earnings on the fastest way possible. Honestly, it took me 5 days to make this much money, but I would love for you guys to make a lot of more money, so this money might help you to pay out loans, it can help you to pay out your rent, or just to enjoy life. So if you stick until the end of the video, I'm going to give you a little trick that I use, but I'm just gonna show you this in the end of the video. So until then, just follow all the steps so you don't miss out in any important thing of today's strategy. Also, before that you forget, right now just give me a massive like, and this is the best thing you could do to support our channel, and it's completely free. So without any further ado, let's jump right into today's tutorial. Let me take you to the computer and show you step by step everything that you have to do. So in today's strategy, the first website which I would like you to come to is called entitleweb.com. That's affiliate, and basically this website is gonna pay you up to 20 cents for every click that you get. So you'll get paid for every visitor you refer to this website, and then you can see more information here where you're gonna be able to get paid for different clicks. It's very easy to start, everybody can join, so it works everywhere in the world. And then the only thing, you'll just be promoting a search engine so people can find this website. So you can scroll down and see more information on how it works. You can see that when someone logs into the page, they'll pay you both for installing the click, and as well they will pay you once the visitor goes through the process and check out the site. So it's a website that I would recommend for you to have a look and check it out. As you can see, it has got a high conversion rate, which means that if you get 100 people to go to the website, you'll be already making $20, and if you get 1,000 people, you'll be getting $200 just by copying and pasting this link. And I'm gonna show you everything, so keep watching until the end of the video because I got more things to show you. Okay, so once that you click on create account, you will need to create an account, and then you will put all the information that asks you for. So you just have to make sure that you put the right information so you can get paid correctly. The only thing is, as a payment method, the only payment method that is available is PayPal. Okay, so I will just advise you to just come and fill up all the information, and then once that you fill up the information, you click on agree terms and conditions and you click on sign up. Okay, so once that you sign up, then you can see, as you says here, earn up to 30% of commissions, and then you will be able to see, more information on how you will be able to track the links and so on. So you can come here, check it out, and the good thing is, like, someone goes into a website and they don't buy straight away, there is a 60 days cookie where if they buy they come back within the 60 days, then you can start making money. As it says here, start making money now. There is no charge to join this affiliate program, and they pay you commissions for all the sales you refer, up to 30% of commission, which is really good. So once that you have actually signed up with the website, this is how the dashboard will look like. So you can come here, you can check it out, and obviously this is a demo account. I just wanted to show you, how it will look, your dashboard. So you can click here on the quick stats, you can see the trend reports, and here you will be able to get, a list of all your commissions, and you will be able to track all the different clicks. Okay, so it's a great website, for you to come have a look, and then if it's something that you think it could benefit you, I highly encourage you to sign up because it's pretty straightforward. Okay, so once that someone lands into the website, this is how it will look like. Okay, so it's like a search engine. Okay, so someone will type here, for example, how to make money online. accept the cookies, otherwise it won't allow you to do it. So this is why it didn't allow me to do it. So you can click on how to make money online, and you can see all the different searches that's gonna come here. So you can see it's very similar to any browser like Google or Chrome that you might be using, or maybe Firefox, Safari, doesn't matter. But when people launch into a website, and you can ask people to keep this web browser as the default. Okay, so there are different ways of, once that you have signed up with this platform, there are so many different ways where you could drive traffic, because it will be just a matter of driving traffic so you can make money. Okay, so I'm gonna show you a few different ways, and obviously you could go into Facebook and then contacting people and so on, but that's the long route. I'm gonna show you a way where you could actually save time and get more results. So there is another website which I would like you to come to, which is called Hercules.com. okay, so in this website will allow you to get traffic, and you're gonna be able to advertise to thousands daily for free. Okay, and as well, additionally, they give you a $5 bonus to sign up. So you can come have a look at the website. You can see it's trusted. They've got 20 years of experience, and they've been trusting in the internet for many big brands. And as well, you know, you can do email and web marketing, 100% real traffic, which is really important, so no bots or anything. And then as well, you're gonna get access to very powerful tools. Okay, and then you can earn, you can as well promote affiliate program, their affiliate program, and then you're gonna get 50% of commissions once that someone's joined up. So you can come have a look. And then the most important thing is, like, if you haven't got the budget to be advertising for traffic and so on, then obviously I'm sure that you have come to this video because you want to find ways where you can make money without spending that amount of money. So this is one way where you can advertise to thousands daily and get free traffic. Okay, so once that you sign up, this will how it will look. You'll need to put all your information, make sure that you put the right information so you can get paid correctly. And then once that you sign up, they will ask you what type of membership you could go to. You know, there are different benefits according to the subscription, but as I told you from the start of the video, everything will be free. So we want to go with the continue with the free membership, and then actually it will just load you, it will just log you into the website where you're gonna be able to see how it works, and you can start putting different ads, so people actually they can pay you, and then you can get the traffic. So you can get the traffic back to your entire web. Okay, so and then you can get your money. Okay, you can get your 20% for every click. So it's a good strategy. It's actually a good combination where you can actually sign up, and then you will be able to check here on your account, your dashboard, your support if you need to contact them or anything like that. You will be able to claim prices and earn credits as well. And as well, as I said, they have an affiliate program, so this is something that works for you. You can promote it to somebody else. Okay, so another way that I want you to check in order for you to get traffic, you could go to this website which is called residualprofitsecrets.com, and then you will be able to get, this is like a software, it will help you to get traffic as well. So obviously you will need to pay for this one. Not everything is free, but then I recommend you to come and check it out. Okay, so guys, this is all for today's strategy. Very simple way to start making money online and be making profit, high conversions. You get paid for every click, and you can join anywhere in the world. So I hope that you enjoy it. I hope that you can combine it and become very successful and have the same benefits that other people are having. And if you like this type of videos, I would really appreciate it if you give me a massive like, and this way I will be able to invest on the channel to keep growing it. And as well, if you want to find out alternative ways to make thousands of dollars per month, then click on the first link in the description. I have a link there. I'll send you all the information to your email address. So I don't want to waste no more time. This is the strategy. I hope that you have a great day, a great week, and then I will come very soon with more strategies that you could benefit from. So I hope you all the best, and take care.